Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Razak Hidayatullah. My name 2021 012 0059. I will to tell about of diode. Diodes are active electronic components made of semiconductor materials and have a function to conduct electric current in one direction, but inhibit current in one direction electric from the opposite direction. Diodes generally have two electrodes terminal, namely the anode and cathode, and have a working principle based on PN semiconductor junction technology, which is allow current to flow from the P-type slide anode to the N-type slide cathode, but cannot flow in the opposite direction. Diode working principle: almost all electronic equipment requires a direct current source. Receiver is used to get direct current from an alternating current. The current or voltage must be completely flat and must not pulse so as not to cause interference to the equipment. Buying demonstration. Semiconductor diodes can only pass current in one direction only, namely when the diodes gets supply direction forward bias, because in the diode there is a junction where the P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor meet. In this conductor, the diode is said to be in a conduction state and has a relatively small resistance in the diode. Meanwhile, in the diode is supplied with a receiver bias. Then the diode does not work in this condition. The diode has high internal resistance so that current is difficult to flow. Isi silicon diode is powered by AC current. Then it flow only in one direction so that the diode output current is DC current. From this condition, the diode is only used in several use including as a half-wave receiver, full wave receiver, cutter circuit, or clamper, and voltage multiplier atau voltage multi. And then types of diodes. 1. Receiver diodes or effect. Receiver diode is a type of diode made of silicon material that function as a voltage or current receiver from alternating current or AC to direct current DC, or converting as current into direct current. In general, this diode is symbolized to Zener diodes. Zener diode is a PN junction diode made of silicon as a base material. This diode is also known as voltage regulation diode, which work in the receiver region, quadrant 3. 3. Light emitting diodes. Diode emission are known by the averaging LED is a solid-state lamp with its electronic device that combination electronic with optics, so is categorized in the optotronic family, while the electrodes are the same as other diodes, namely the anode and cathode. There are three general categories of used LED, namely as indicator light for transmitting light signal that are modulation in a certain area, and couplings for isolate electronic circuit in total. The function of diode is a receiver For the diode bridge component, voltage stabilizer on the Zener diode component, safety or push, trimmer of signal remover, level that is above or below a certain voltage on the clipper circuit, adding DC component in the AC signal in the clamper circuit, and order. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.